Right on. Some folks say that the waste in time, they got the others climbing up on the hill. I don't pay attention to the thoughts in your mind, because my brain is like an alcohol stairwell. Well, don't you know? He's got the feeling in his heart and soul. Where does it all go? He's just a wanderer on the open road. You got to get up, to get up, to get up, up, and tell me, are you fed up with all the lies that they've been spreading around? You got to get up, to get up, to get up, up, and tell me now, baby. And now you're fed up with all the lies that they keep telling you now. The price is high, but the labor is low. It's hard to focus on the dollar bill, but I won't be able to mention all the things I don't know, because my ego's on the line with the real. Well, don't you see? Who's got the hook inside the place to be? We turn on wants into I need. It's time to focus on your self-esteem. Now get up, get up, get up, up, and tell me, and are you fed up with all the lies that they've been spreading around? Now get up, get up, get up, up, and tell me now, baby, are you fed up with all the lies that they've been telling you lately? Fed up with all the lies that they keep spreading around. You got to get up, to get up, to get up, and tell me now, baby. And now you're fed up with all the lies that they've been telling you lately. There's a bomb in the ocean, and the wave reached land from the force of explosion. Seaman got a fucking demotion, devised a plan that was so atrocious. It caused commotion, but the tourists started posting up on Instagram and Twitter just to share their mixed emotions. It's like, hey, did you hear the bang? Sound the rain from the overhang. We got two fat ladies with the ankles spraying, but you blog it all to stay insane. Now, why can't you lend a hand instead of leaning in the frame? It's hard to picture this or realize that we're all the same.